Hi guys, good day to you all. Before I begin, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. More information and more video will be dropped very soon. So today, guys, I'm going to show you how to trade fundamental forex news like a pro with investing.com app. How to trade forex fundamental like a pro with investing.com app. Number one, the first thing you have to do is you go to your Play Store. If you are using an Android phone, search for investing.com and then install it. After installing it, you are going to go to calendar. You are going to go to calendar. Then over here, you are going to ensure you are going to click these three icons and uncheck the low and medium, so that the economic will only show you the high impact news. Then click back. Then to show all the high impact news. So guys, listen very well. This is how to trade fundamental news like a pro. By tomorrow Tuesday, we are having Euro high impact news by 10 a.m. The event is German Zero economic sentiment. So what you are going to do is that you click on the news. Then if you click on the news, you are going to see actual, forecast, and previous. You are going to see the what? Actual, forecast, and previous. So guys, here we only need two things. We only need two things. We only need the previous and we only need the actual. We need the previous and the actual. We need the previous and the actual. So guys, this is how to use it. If the previous is big than the actual, if the previous is bigger than the actual, then you are going to sell. I repeat, if the previous is bigger than the actual, then you are going to sell. But if the actual is bigger than the previous, then you are going to buy. If the previous is bigger than the actual, that means you are going to sell. And if the actual is bigger than the previous, you are going to buy. So guys, as you can see, this is Euro news. So if you want to trade like this now, the previous is bigger than the actual, that means you are going to sell Euro USD. You are going to sell Euro JPY. You are going to sell what? Euro card. Euro card. So guys, that is how to use it. If the actual is bigger than the previous, you are going to buy. If the previous is bigger than the actual, then you are going to sell. As you can see in this Euro, the previous is bigger than the actual, so you are going to sell what? You are going to sell Euro USD, Euro JPY, Euro card. So guys, on Wednesday we are having GDP by 7 a.m. If you click on it, you are going to see that the actual is what? Minus 7.8%, while the previous is what? Minus 8.5%. As you can see here, you will see that the previous is bigger than the what? Than the actual. So we are going to sell. That means we are going to sell any current. We are going to sell GPB. We are going to sell GPB AUD, GPB USD, GPB JPY. Then if you want to buy, you are going to buy the opposite of the base of the quote currency, which means you are going to buy Euro GPB. Which means you are going to buy what? You are going to buy the Euro GPP. So now another one we have the core CPI, that is USD news. As you can see here, the actual we have 0.3%, and the previous we have the what? We have the 0.1%. So here the actual is bigger than the previous, which means we are going to buy USD. Which means we are going to buy USD JPY, USD card. Then if you want to sell, you are going to sell the opposite, which means you are going to sell the what? SAU USD. You are going to sell what? The GBP USD. In forex, we have what is called the quote and the base currency. For the USD, you are going to buy what? USD JPY, because USD is at the quote, and for the base currency you are going to sell it, which is SAU USD and GBP USD, Euro USD, AUD USD, as far USD is at the base. So guys, this is how to trade forex fundamental like a pro. If you have any question, you can comment. I'm going to reply you all. Guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel. More video are coming soon. Regarding fundamental trading. More video are coming soon regarding what? Regarding fundamental trading. So guys, that is how to trade fundamental news like a pro. Thank you.